A very warm welcome to all. I am Anusha, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. So today we are going to discuss the topic Concord. This is very important topic in English grammar as well as technical English. So the subject code is HS8251 Technical English. So the outcome, on completion, students will be able to explain the grammatical relationship between subject and verb in a sentence. So now what is concord? It is just an agreement between subject and verb. So the definition, a sentence is made up of many parts. To make a sentence a meaningful unit, the parts of a sentence should agree with one another in gender, number as well as person. So in short, the grammatical relationship between a subject and a verb is called subject-verb agreement. This agreement is also called concord. So if the subject and verb of a sentence do not agree, then that sentence is an ungrammatical one. So to avoid this, we have to follow certain rules. So what are they? The first one is singular subject takes singular verb, whereas plural subject takes plural verb. So you see the example, Ponnamma writes a letter. Here the subject Ponnamma is singular, so it takes a singular verb. But you have to remember one thing, you have to add yes in the end of a singular verb. So the next one, they write the examination. So here they is plural, so it takes a plural verb. So there is no need to add yes or es in the end of a verb. So the next one, when two persons or things are joined by and, plural verb is used. See the example, Ranjit and Shekhar go to college together. Here two persons are joined by and, so it takes plural verb. Next one, when two nouns refer to a same person, you have to use singular verb. Look, the driver and owner of the car was injured. The dramatist and poet was dead. So here both the driver and owner of that particular car is the same person. And the dramatist and the poet both are the same person. So it takes a singular verb. When definite article the comes before two nouns, you have to take plural verb because it refers to two persons. Look at the example. The driver and the owner of the car were injured. Here we are using the definite article the to indicate that it refers to two persons. And the next one is when two things refer to the same idea, you have to take singular verb. Like bread and butter is my diet. Rice and fish curry is the favorite food of South India. So both bread and butter is my diet, rice and fish curry, it is two different things, right? But it indicates the same idea. So that we are using singular verb. The form one of is always followed by a plural noun and it takes singular verb. Look, one of the students is punctual. So the form one of here takes a plural noun, that is students. So it takes a singular verb which is. So the next one, two words or two sentences are connected by, besides, with, along with as well as singular verb is used. See the example, the chairman as well as the secretary is out of station. The teacher along with students goes to meet the principal. So the words like as well as, goes, with, along with, you have to use singular verb. So when two nouns or pronouns are connected by either or, neither nor, or nor, the singular verb is used. Look, neither Sam nor Henry has met me. Either Raghavan or Midun was present. So when the subject near the verb is plural, plural verb is used. The verb comes according to the second noun. See the example, neither Sony nor his parents have gone to New Delhi. Why we are using plural verb here? Because this sentence has two subjects as well as two nouns. So that is, you have to look out the second noun, that is parents. It is in plural form. So you have to take plural verb. That is what the verb comes according to the second noun. So neither he nor I am to face problems. His friends or John is punctual. Why we are using is here? Why we are taking singular verb here in the sense? Because in this sentence, the second noun is John, which is singular. That is why it is taking singular verb. So pronounce each, every, everyone, everybody, either, neither, no one take singular verb. Look, everybody has come. Neither of the boys is obedient. Each boy and each girl is hardworking. All the sentences refers to a common individual person. That's why it takes a singular form. Nouns such as news, wages, dynamics take singular verb. See the example. The news is correct but it cannot be true. Some nouns such as mathematics, physics, economics, statistics and politics seem to be plural but singular in meaning. So mathematics is my favorite subject. Class nouns such as some of, a lot of, plenty of, most of, 1/4 of the majority takes plural verbs. So many refers to singular, whereas many and a number of refer to plural. See the example. Many a boy is clever. Many students were absent yesterday. So a number of students are playing football now. Here the word many takes a singular verb form and many and number of students take plural form. And the subject begins with specific amount or distance takes singular verb. Look, 100 miles is not a long distance. So 10,000 rupees is not a large amount. So when definite article the refers to a group of people or to the people of a particular place, you should use a plural verb. Look, the poor are always suffering. So the poor in the sense it is referring to a group of people and not the individual. That is why we are using plural verb. The Japanese are active and hardworking. So the next one, collective nouns such as group, team, committee, class and family denote more than one nouns. So you are using singular verb. See the example, the group leaves for London today. So when collective noun refers to the individuals, you should use plural verb. Look, the committees were divided in their opinion on the election of its president. So the next one, nouns such as scissors, trousers, clothes, shorts and clippers takes plural verb. See the example, these scissors are sharp. These clothes are made of cotton. So a pair of with noun takes singular verb. See the example, a pair of scissors is kept on the table. So whenever it comes like you can use the word pair of, you should take singular verb. So some nouns seem to be singular in form but plural in meaning. See the example, the police were ordered to fire. The cattle were being tended by a shepherd. So here the police, the cattle may seem to be singular by its form, but originally it is plural. That is why it takes a plural verb. So now we have moved to the exercises. So the committee are divided on one problem. There are 50 students in the class. The police have arrested 2 culprits. Mathematics is an interesting subject. The poet and novelist is presiding over the function. Jack and Jill are going to school by bus. Neither he nor she has come. So one of the boys is missing. Each girl and each boy has taken part in the competition. The principal as well as the vice principal is leaving for Chennai. So here I have given the answers as well. And now type 2, rewrite the following sentences by removing the errors in the subject-verb agreement. This is also another type you may expect from the examinations. So the answers are here. You can check it out. So the possible questions from this topic. Read the following sentences and identify the errors in them. Now horses serve people in different ways. Zebras and donkeys belong to the same biological family. A mature house stands about 3 meters high. The ancient horse have developed into the heavy draft horse, rupees 750 or a minimum salary. So rupees 750 is a minimum salary. Just like that, you have to identify the errors and rewrite the sentences in a correct way. So this is all about Concord, which is subject-verb agreement. You have to remember all those rules to make a sentence without any grammatical error. Thank you all.